this out. After you lift the Mylar sheet and the transfer is adhered to your project, this is what it looks like. Now, depending on the color of the project you're applying these transfers to, you might see the adhesive halo for these transfers. And that means if you don't want that look, you need to burnish them onto your project. So here I'm using a cloth, a micro cloth, and I'm just rubbing the transfer with the cloth to get rid of most of that halo look. A soft cloth or your finger will work just fine, but I actually have a better tool for you. This is a burnishing pad. You can cut them down to size, and they're just like sponges that have a little texture on them. They're very inexpensive. Like, you can pick them up for $2-3. And if you're interested, I'll leave all the supplies down below, so you can just click and go grab one. It really makes the burnishing so much easier because it has some texture to it. You don't have to rub it quite as much, and it burnishes the transfers beautifully.